out of the museum to the right, you can see an interesting item. It is an ordinary carriage where the fate of current Armenia was sealed. Those who affixed their signatures were Kazım Karabekir Pasha, the head of the Turkish delegation, and Ganyetsky, the chairman of the Soviet delegation, who, sitting on this ordinary chair, signed the ill-fated agreement and, in an instant, with one touch of the pen, destroyed the fate of a whole nation. With Russia's mediation, all the agreements of a peace, which gave privileges to the Armenians, were cancelled. The region of Kars and the western part of Armenia passed into Turkey's complete authority. Armenians were deprived of all rights. Diplomatically, Turkey had a great victory.